I'm heading into town in a bit. My Buick has been acting a little funny, like not starting, and the brake feels squishy. I don't know, it's hard to describe. I have brakes and there's no leak under the car, just the pedal feels, well, squishy. I think I'm just being paranoid. Anyways, thanks for dropping by. Now I'm off to the market. This can't be happening. My brakes are out. Please stop. Pumping isn't working. I don't know what to do. Pumping isn't working. Some pressure is coming back. I'm slowing down. Stop for me, baby. Yes.
Give the brake pedal a few pumps and hold it.
It's to the floor.
Pump it.
Let me tell you, it was not fun having the brakes go out, especially out of nowhere. They're floored.
Keep that leg workout going.
To the floor.
Pump it.
To the floor. To the floor.
Pump it.
To the floor.
Keep squishing that pedal for me.
To the floor.
Again.
To the floor.
Pump it.
To the floor.
Again. Luckily, the brake fluid is starting to look clean.
To the floor.
Keep pumping it.
To the floor.
You should be good for now. We'll fix that rough idle another day.